Hello, fish keepers, pets, animal lovers. My name is Cleveland Word. Channel is Red 2-M5Z, the educational channel. This is going to be about care, maintenance guidelines, and feeding. Any species that you have to make sure that you take care of them. The feeding, that's a must. Say, for example, like fish tanks. Fish tanks, they need maintenance done on them, as far as like keeping your water perimeter clean, sponge filters, canister filters, etc. Make sure you have crystal clear, clean water for your fish to breathe in. That's where your filtration come in from, okay? From the filters, make sure the water is clean for your fish to breathe in. Don't overfeed your fishes, okay? Only feed your fish what they can eat, consume in 3 minutes. That's all, 3 minutes. Anything else, take it out. For example, I'm getting ready to take some meat out of this thing using this vac. Trying to keep her good and healthy. And the Blossom, she's back there. Caretaking is a must. You have to do it. Feeding. Don't overfeed your fishes. You don't want them to be lazy. You want them to be agile. Like for example, this girl right here, she learned the commands, taps. She already hand feeding. That's one thing for sure. I've been having her for like maybe about 7 months now. About 7 months. I got her when she was like 4 months old, 5.5 inches long. Now she is 10 inches at 10 months old. Okay. Your maintenance. Say for example, if you got snakes, reptiles, anything containing any type of pets, you have to make sure that you do the maintenance on your animal habitat, so they can have a nice, healthy, clean environment. Also, that's maintenance. Clean maintenance habitat. The type of animal that's out there in the wild, if you happen to keep your animal with you in your house in captivity, again, in captivity, you have to do the same thing, okay? You have to. So again, care, taking, feedings, maintenance of your fishes, pets, and animals is a must thing you have to do. This is an education channel. Remarks, leave your remarks, ask questions, I'll give you answers, okay? Take care of your animals, your fishes. Cleveland Word again, Red 2-M5Z. If you like what I'm saying from the educational channel, Red 2-M5Z, do this. Give a thumbs up and press the subscribe button. Thank you.